Hey guys, little update after a summer break of 20 days. So let's check what's going on in the tank after 20 days of running full automatic, I would say, with slightly a little bit of monitoring just to know if everything is going fine in the tank, if there's nothing wrong with, I don't know, temperature or something quite bothering. So I just come back, I haven't cleaned the tank at all. So here you don't see so much. This is a little bit dirty, sorry, but not as much as here. If I put you can see, of course, Discus tank is way dirtier. The difference that you can see, so first of all, more importantly, all the fish are here. Huh? Sorry that I haven't said it. And everything went smoothly, at least from the monitoring point of view of the sump and so on. No issue at all, and all the tracking info seems to be fine. After that, it is a bit dirty, but different way. The lighting is exactly the same, the water quality different, the livestock different, and the feeding is also different, temperature different as well. So with all these differences, you can see that if the glass is dirtier here, the sand is not as dirty as here, and here this is not dirty. In fact, this is a kind of algae. This is this little dust algae. I forgot the name, sorry. I'm pretty sure you can write it. This is not at all cyanobacteria. This is diatome, I think, but not sure. Diatome, it's supposed to come in early establishing tank, but this guy is running since a month. And I've done a huge water change before the holidays. Maybe it did reset somehow some aspect of the cycle of the tank. I don't know. But for this fish, first of all, this algae is not dangerous, but especially this fish, this is some little Tropheus, this is some cichlids, algivore. So it's, I would say, welcome that you get some algae, and they are taking all the algae slowly but surely with the little teeth of their mouth, grasping on surfaces like this one. Okay, I've done some tests, as you can see over there, quickly, check. And here you don't have any phosphate, null, nothing, nada, niet. Nitrate is slightly, but very low nitrate. If I read it, this is 2.5, you start to detect the nitrate, but you are far away from a huge level of nitrate. And silicate, because I'm testing the silicate due to my tap water containing some silicate. I do have a silicate absorber here. Here, this little bubble. Doing a great job reducing the silicate. One more time, I've done a huge water change that it was full of silicate. Could explain the diatome. In between, before that, the absorber over there took all the silicate. I think it's coming from silicate. One more time, no phosphate, very slightly nitrate, quite nothing, and silicate at the beginning could explain why diatome coming this way. You see here? I think, correct me if I'm wrong, this is diatome algae. And the food, it's also explaining why not so much nitrate are accumulating in the tank, because metabolism is slow and food is not protein based at all, it's more algae. I would say it's not algae, but this is quarole. On holidays, sorry, Corella, mixed of Corella, different kind of algae, and this is this one that I'm using. So by the way, once a day, it's not so much going in the tank. The discus and El Catfish, and another story, you can see maybe here. Yeah, you see, the glass is not clean at all, but after 20 days without any maintenance, not so bad. By the way, if you are asking here, this is oxidator. You put some hydroxide peroxide slowly diffusing in the water in order to increase the O2, and it was running over 2 weeks because I put just one little activator inside. And this is one of the oldest systems that you can find on the market. Maybe 30 years ago or 40 years ago it has been already proposed, and this is as simple as efficient if you want to bring more oxygen in the water. And it was here a good idea due to the livestock. So here we do have not so much, let me check, we do have not so much phosphate, 0.5. Nitrate, we do have 25 ppm of nitrate, so it's normal, I would say. Accumulation after 20 days. I don't have any nitrate absorber whatsoever. I just have, I have something impacting the nitrate, but not directly. And directly, this is Purigen, Seachem Purigen, and it's taking material before nitrogen cycle. So the aim, the target is not the nitrate, it's just the clarity of the water. In order to have such kind of clarity without any yellow tint in the water, you need to have such kind of absorber, I would say. If you compare, maybe not a good example with a yellow light of the back. Other than that, 25 ppm normal. They are fed twice a day. One shoot, this is for the discus, the other shoot during the night for the L catfish. And that's all. As you can see, they are wondering why the light is still running so late. And I would say they are not scared at all. Okay, here this is a sign that they are wondering and not getting the point. This pair staying here, I'm wondering if they don't have eggs or larvae. Maybe they will lay eggs soon. Regarding another important parameter, this is the pH. The pH I've done on purpose during the water change of the discus a lot, 100 liters of tap water. And you can see that it did the job. pH still stable above 7, and here very high, normal for Tropheus tank, with a KH of 9 or 10. This is what you get on the pH, but here I haven't tested the KH tonight, sorry, but I think it's going down slowly but surely to 0, and I would say in 10 days you will get the pH dropping down. With such kind of KH you can expect 1 month of stability, and after that you are exposed to some pH drop or acidose, so you have to take care. So I would say that's all for today, and yeah, happy to see back all the fishes so healthy, especially the trophies. You can see they are just begging some food, active, curious. If you change here, they will come back. Just waiting to get more food. No, it's good, it's great. And another example or demonstration that if you put a little bit of effort in the life support system, you can have some aquarium running smoothly over weeks. That's all. Hope everything is going fine at your place, that you enjoy as well your summer pause. Ciao guys.